So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you how to fix a new iOS updates available. Please update from the iOS 14 beta in your iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user report to a new iOS update available. Please update from the iOS 14 beta. So how to solve these problems in my iPhone and iPad? So guys, I give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problem. The first solution is remove beta profile in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all, open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general, then scroll down, tap on profile. In profile you can see also iOS 14 beta profiles, so tap on that. Then you can see also remove profile, so please tap on enter your passcode and tap on remove profile in your iPhone and iPad. So easy to solve your problems. The second solution is latest iOS versions available in your iPhone and iPad, so easy to solve your problems. So guys, first of all, strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Then again open the settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on general. In general you can see also software update, so please tap on software update. Then you can see also latest update, so please update your iOS versions in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to solve your problems. The third solution is turn off the automatic date and time settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps. First of all, open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. In general you can see called date and time, so please tap on date and time. Then you can see also set automatically, so please tap turn off set and automatically, and date select the 13 October before and 13 October. So easy to solve your problems. I hope this trick working in your iPhone and iPad. The fourth solution is turn on and off your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the step. First of all, open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. In general you can see also shutdown option, so please tap on shutdown, then slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad, and easy to solve your problems. The last solution is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all, open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general, then scroll down and tap on reset. In reset you can see also reset all settings, then enter your passcode and tap on reset all settings, and easy to solve your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.